How to fix black screen error on your Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in this guide video we are simply going to learn how we can fix the black screen on our Windows 11. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first things first, maybe you're having a black screen on your Windows. First of all, you want to make sure that it is not your display problem, because your monitor could also be broken. Make sure it isn't a hardware issue. If that is not the case, we are going to run through some of the checks on this video, software wise, on how you can fix the black screen. First of all, we are going to simply open our device manager. But assuming that we are having a black screen error on Windows and we are not being able to see anything, we are going to open device manager using a shortcut. So in order to use the shortcut, what you want to do is, first of all, you want to open the run window by pressing Windows and R on your keyboard. Once you press Windows plus R, here you'll be able to see the run command, and here you want to simply type in PowerShell and then tap on OK. As you tap on PowerShell and open the PowerShell window, what you want to do is you want to simply open a command right over here, that is devmgmt.msc. So you want to simply type in devmgmt.msc and then hit enter. Once you hit enter, a device manager is going to open up on our Windows. So this is the best way to open device manager if your displays are not working correctly. So after you open a device manager, here you want to simply look for the option called display adapters. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on display adapters button right over here, and then here you want to simply select your display driver or your display adapter right over here. Right click on it, uninstall, and try to enable it again. The second thing you can do is also disable it and then enable it again. The last thing you can do is simply try to update the driver right over here, and then select search automatically for all the display drivers and make sure you have the latest version installed. If this fixed your issue, that's perfectly fine. The other thing we can do is to simply update our computer, but again, assuming that we can't open and touch any of the icons in the taskbar because of the black screen, we're going to open settings using a shortcut. What you want to do is you want to simply press Windows plus I keys on your keyboard. So go ahead and press Windows plus I, and as you click Windows I, settings is going to open up. Here at the bottom left, you want to go to the Windows Update button right over here. Once you go to Windows Update, go ahead and tap on check for updates on the top right and see if the Windows does have an update available or not. If it does, then go ahead and update your Windows, and most of the times an update is going to reinstall all of the drivers which are required for your PC to function properly. So make sure to update it and make sure you have an up-to-date version, and that would have usually fixed your issue. So we hope one of these solutions worked for you. If it did work for you, make sure to leave them down in the comment section. If you have any more questions, also make sure to leave them down below. As always, thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.